MiTek's TrussLok is a 150mm fully threaded screw designed and engineered to provide a fast and secure truss to top plate connection to resist wind uplift. TrussLok screws length and product ID are stamped into the head for easy inspection. The head suits a standard 5mm hex drive bit. To fix a truss between studs, position the point of the TrussLok at the center of the top plate and a minimum of 15mm from the face of the truss cord. Drive the TrussLok straight up until the screw head is fully embedded into the top plate. Now for the clever bit. MiTek TrussLoks have been designed and engineered to accommodate a 5-degree off-center angle without compromising structural integrity. So even if you're a little bit off, you know you can trust TrussLok, because it will still achieve a fully compliant connection. Note, a protruding screw is a certain sign the truss has not been tied down correctly. So, check all sides. The versatility of MiTek's TrussLok makes it the ideal truss fixing solution for many scenarios. Fixing a truss beside a stud, single top plate. Fixing a truss beside a stud, double top plate. Fixing a truss above a stud, single top plate. Fixing a truss above a stud, double top plate. Insist on TrussLok, the one you can trust. For more detailed installation instructions, including load data, refer to the TrussLok datasheet or get the EasyCat app. Remember, always specify and use MiTek engineered building products.